Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be painting an emotional flow. This will be a simple, meditative process resulting in a unique wall art piece to decorate your home. First, let's gather the tools we'll need. We'll be using a variety of materials to create different textures and effects. Here's the list. A sponge, a large and medium-sized flat brush, a fan brush, a palette knife, a sprayed bottle filled with water, black, gold, white, and an eggplant purple-red paint. A canvas, a water container. Great. We'll begin by painting two intersecting black sections, crossing closer to one corner of the canvas. Since we're aiming for a smudged, runny, abstract look, you'll want to use plenty of water. Once the first layer of black is applied, take a clean, wet brush and blur some of the sharp edges for a smudged effect. Don't overthink it, just follow your instincts. Next, grab your fan brush and follow the two black stripes to add more texture. The fan brush creates thin, irregular lines, adding randomness and depth into the composition. Now, I'm painting along the edges when adding paint close to the border and spraying it with water. Let the water run off the canvas naturally. Repeat the process at the intersection point of the two lines. One of the lines here feels out of place to me, so I'm erasing it while it's still wet. I will briefly paint over it with white and deal with it later once it dries. Since I want to add more depth to black paint, I'm adding another layer. I will do layering until I'm happy with the result. Before moving on, I'm adding depth to the white section by using a sponge. Lightly dab the sponge in water and pick up a small amount of black paint for a semi-transparent look. Look out for bubbles that may form while dabbing and gently clean them off with a napkin for a smoother finish. Once that's done, give the painting some time to dry. Fabulous! Let's move on to the next color. Grab your palette knife and apply paint, starting at the intersection and working outward. Don't be afraid to play around. Experiment with pressing and swiping the knife to create different textures. Once you're happy with the result, let it dry again. Now for the final step, adding the golden paint. Use the same technique as before. Let the process flow naturally. A quick tip for painting straight lines with painting knife. Tilt the knife to one edge and drag it across the canvas. And there you have it, another piece completed. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more creative content. Happy painting!